had an idea. I took a small P-51 and scaled it up by 1.63, and I got this. This is a little P-51, and then I'm gonna show you the upscale. This is awesome. Here we have the P-51 mini Mustang that I've made. But what would it look like if you upscale it? You're going to find out. This is beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. I just cut that out and got the rudder to go into the elevator. Look at that, snug. Look at this. Bam, just pops right off. And then let's pop this guy off. That's it. This is beautiful. Look at this airplane. Oh my. I am stoked right now. Look at this wing. I got one wing on there. It looks sick already. I don't even got the other one on. It looks cool just like this. Oh my god. This is sick. Bam! Look at that thing. Mega size. Oh, blurriness. Look at that thing. I just bumped it up. Whew. We're gonna put a motor on this guy. Just look, here we go. This is the comparison. Look how small that one is. And just look at that. Doubled 1.63. Just realized I forgot the canopy. But look at that thing. It's huge. Compared to that small one. Wow. I scratch built this thing all by myself. I just got the cutout from those and just cut everything out. All that is hand cut. Took me 4 days, and here we have it. I'm about to paint this airplane before and dun, 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 dun. This is day like 13 of working on this guy. Look at this. We got the P-51 Mini Mustang in Lightning McQueen form. We got his number 95. The lightning bolt rusties left and right because he doesn't know what way to go. Got the tongue. Check it. Gee, we got Lightning McQueen out here sticking out his tongue. Check it. Still gotta build the motor. I just need a battery for this airplane and we can fly it. We'll be flying soon. We call this the Lightning McQueen style P-51 Mustang. I want to mount this Power Pack B motor onto my aeroplane, but I need a bigger firewall and I need the battery to even power it on, so gotta order some stuff. Alright guys, I've been working on this project for a while now. We got the Lightning McQueen P-51 Mustang. I got the power pod. I had to go to the hardware store. We went to Mendo Mill. Oh, see Ace. We had to block some plywood and some bolts for the motor mount. Let's show it right here. So I bought this plywood for my firewall. I gotta cut out the squares. It's gonna be a square. It's gonna mount onto here, but on the front side, and we're gonna attach the motor here. I just finished building my customized firewall. I built this, cut it into this bigger square to mount my motor. Bam! Today is the day that I finally fly my Lightning McQueen Aeroplane Edition P-51. Hopefully it goes well. It's not too windy. Hopefully it flies. Here we go. Está bien grandote, ni sé cómo aventarlo. qué lento dio la vuelta esa. Mira, mira, mira. Mira, mira. Se me candiló el sol. Uy, milagro que no se me quebró la rama donde pisaba. Ahí estuvo el Lightning McQueen flight. Chocamos. We crashed. Because I wasn't happy with the last flight, I came in early so the sun's not in my face. And we're gonna fly this guy. Let's go. Already got the battery. Let's do it. It does not do backflips at all. Ay, ay, ay. It does not do loops though. It's like too nose heavy. It just dies. It does not loop. Look, this is a full throttle up. Ah! Damn, almost lost it there. I don't know what direction it was at. Let's land it. Let's land it. Let's land it. The wheels broke. That's funny. That's great. The wheels just pulled back. At least the left one did. That was funny. Look at this. He busted his wheels when he got a flat. Look at that wheel. Oh, that wheel came up too. Both wheels came up. Look at that! Look at the dirt coming out of there! Dang, he took a spill. Hopefully tomorrow I get to strap on my GoPro onto the belly of this and get some aerial footage. Stay tuned for that one. Peace. Alright, this is the first time I watched this. This is watching this live. Take off, let's go. Mira, ven. Mira, ven. Mira mi avión.
Estoy calentando los nopales.
Mira cómo da vueltas. Mira. El carrito. No se ve, no me veo. Está grabando el audio, que la primera vez que lo veo, a ver si me emociono. Ay, una mosca. A ver, una vuelta. Uy, me la aventé. Mira que se ve todo. A las 7 de la mañana. You don't know. Oh. Pensé que era backflip. Mira, mira, casi me mato. Uy. Esa es la cuando me asusté. I got the scares, dicen. Go, go, go. Mira. Una backflip. Oh, si pudo un avión la backflip. No podía antes y ahora sí quiso dar la backflip. Another backflip. Oop. Mira el propeller como da vueltas. Mire nomás. No se ve muy shaky ahora. ¿Verdad? Como que sí está más smooth que el otro día. Antes ya bailaba mucho. Otro roll, come on. Another roll, otro roll. No, okay. All aterrizar, we're gonna land it. We're landing it. We're landing it. Going down, mayday, mayday, help! Oops. Cayó. Whew. Good landing, eh, buddies? Look at this. Look at this land. Sheesh, camera blew off. We are still. Oh, look at you. Hear all that sand coming out. Alright, we flew this guy. My phone transmitter has low voltage. I got a message, so I brought it down. I don't know how much the plane battery has a voltage, but I was going pretty full throttle on this to keep it up. Got some loops, got some rolls. Rusties. Let's go edit this video so you guys can watch it. Because that was sick. I was flying smooth in the beginning, then I got shaky. Pulled some maneuvers that I almost crashed on, like that roll. I thought I was going to hit the ground. Let's roll that back. Take a backflip. Mira, mira, casi me mato. Uy! Alright, now that you watched it, no, that was close. It's super close. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like to see Rusties and all the other bike and fishing and all the other adventures. Stay tuned. Peace. Thank you. Subscribe if you want to.